The new KitchenAid Superba Series EQ sets the standard for all dishwashers. 25% better cleaning results, 40% better drying results, and the quietest dishwasher ever from KitchenAid. The EQ wash system uses less energy and achieves exceptional results. How? Targeted wash zones optimize cleaning performance and reduce water usage. A variable speed motor automatically adjusts based on the soil level detected by sensor systems. 3 levels of filtration continually screen food particles to keep them away from your dishes. And pressure optimizing wash arms focus on key areas, concentrating wash power and reducing water usage. The Superba Series EQ dishwashers also offer the following premium features: a pro wash cycle that determines the appropriate cycle for washing dishes and makes real-time adjustments for the best cleaning performance. A pro dry option that utilizes a convection fan and recessed heating element to ensure dry dishes every time. Premium adjusters that allow the racks to easily move up and down with the touch of a finger. More room for loading dishes. Combine all these things with multiple other options for an outstanding dishwasher that cleans your dishes the first time, dries them the first time, and does it all quieter than the rest of the competition.